Okay, everybody. I'm gonna be doing a run today. I saw Jawless Paul do a Hef cast build in the underworld with Circe. It actually looked pretty sweet, and it looked like an interaction that I wasn't aware. So it looks like Winter's Circle actually works with Hef's cast. So it wasn't allowing the hammers to hit the bongs or whatever you want to call them to hit faster. It was, but the circle would disappear, so you could recast it while the other one was still going. So I'm gonna try to do Winter's Circle Hefcast plus like Demeter, Apollo, Ares stuff stacked on top of it. Let's see if we can get that going. That sounds like a hell of a lot of fun to me. And it gives me an excuse to not do a run with 32 or 40 fear and make myself annoyed. So let's go. Let's see. I don't need big mana. We can go Freenos. We're gonna turn Hubris off, so Hubris can go suck it. No wards, no grit, no forfeit. We'll just do that. That looks fine. Bump bump do 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 bump bump. Okay. This is going to be fun. Let's go. I love Freenos. Gives me the HP. Sometimes he eats things that are coming at me. We wouldn't mind putting Hef on the special either. Well, there you go. Sure. Why did that hit him too? It's nice not to have to chase this stupid thingy-mabobbers, Revenants. Whoa. So we'll try to get some... Well, we don't really want Hestia, but it doesn't really matter. Oh, we definitely want Poseidon and Ares and Apollo. So we got our god pool already. Okay, that's pretty sweet. Alright, so we want to go... We'll go Ares last. So we're going to go the two Hefs, the hammer... We probably don't need to grab the HP because we have... we want Winter's Circle also, so this could be interesting. We might not grab both Hefs, we'll see though. Okay, my cat's annoying the shit out of me. You gotta get off me, Monty. Jesus Christ, they almost pulled my microphone down. Sorry about that, guys. My cat's annoying sometimes. My clock's running too. Son of a bee. My cat's annoying. Hopefully we can get anvil ring here, that'd be nice. I don't really know whose attack we want. Probably Poseidon, actually. Well, yep, okay. We'll grab this hammer. Hopefully get a juicy attack here. Wicked Thrasher, Rapid Thrasher. None of these. Okay. Whatever. Sure. So far, not getting anything we really want. It's pretty fun. Okay. Man, that's awful. A common anvil ring. We're going for it. We need to palm that though. Or something. I don't even know. Okay. We want blinding rush is what we want first here. Well, there we go. That's awesome. Huh? Why can't I leave here? Okay, well, just go ahead and do that, Freenos. Yay. You want cut above the meat grinder from okay. I'm just not getting anything I want. This is awkwardo. I really thought about that buried treasure, but we'll at least get us something from Poseidon here in the pool, I guess. So we want geyser spout. We want all the cast stuff, so we'll go Ares down here. Oh, come on. You hit this stupid idiot. There's like guys are all around just guarding him from getting hit by anything. I don't even know what thing I have. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hestia. I don't really care about that. I mean, I'll take a juicy attack if he gives it to me. Yeah, cool. So, everybody, all our gods are like on a thing now. So our duoboon should be like reasonably active now, I think, for the most part. Winter circle all the way right here is what I want. I guess that's what we're doing first. Nice. Palmed anvil ring. Let's probably do 7. Let's probably do 75 now, I'm guessing. We can put a 5th god in the pool if we want. We just put Deborah in the pool to get like her cast stuff. No, we have OJ. I just got hit 4 times by that. Oh, come on. I could also just put Hestia in the pool just to get her cast thing going. Oh, come on, what the nugget? I'm eating too much damage here. How am I poisoned? There's no... Okay. Woohoo! So I think I'm definitely putting... Yeah, okay, so I have Blinding Light and I have Wounds, so I sort of have Origination. I need to get the one from Hef 2 going. Is my Anvil Ring my only common, is the question. It is. So we're actually going to do this. Boom. We can wear a Hef thing later, just to get, or Hestia I mean later, just to get the Godsent Hex if we really want to, but I don't know if we will. I think I lean on those too much sometimes. We're going to try to do a build where we don't get the Godsent Hex. We just want to get Geyser Spout, Winner's Circle, Cut Above, Meat Grinder. A couple things from Apollo, like Supernova, Flair, whatever the thing's called. Prominence Flair. There we go. We want to get the Hef thing that gives me the it turns into a curse. Glow or whatever it's called. I think it's called Furnace Blast is the ability, but... That's actually pretty good for us. Winner's Circle, come on. We'll use some rolls here if we have to. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Seriously? I'm gonna roll one more time just because I... That's so lame. I guess we take that. That'll help. I mean, it's an Omega thing, it'll go faster, but Winner's Circle makes you go 100% faster at night 20. Let's see how much it... That's not too bad. Better than nothing. Yeah, that's pretty good still, honestly. Yeah, whatever. Take that, ass idiot. Ass idiot. Oh, let's hit my flourish. Yeah. A supernova would be good here. Really stupid shadows here. Nope. Alright, where's this guy at? Alright, that wasn't too bad. I need to heal a little bit, but... Oh, here we go. I think the dodge and the speed, that'll stack on top of our, that'll stack on top of our hasty retreat that we took. I think this should be the last shop, yeah. Cut above. Ooh, meat grinder. Fun. We're gonna die here though, like we didn't get to heal. Fun times. Okay. I think I have that thing now that bounces that, so it's gonna be really easy to hit the balls now. Yeah, they were. Okay. Or my thing will just shoot them right in between it. Alrighty then. Ow, that shouldn't have hit me. Lame, I suck. She's pretty terrible sometimes at dodging things. Okay. That wasn't too bad, actually. That's pretty funny. I think all you have to do is put that, to get the god set, is put the Hestia thing on. So I'm going to do that just for the funs of it. I think the god set will be in here now. It's supposed to be. That's weird. Well, we will go. I'm so confused. This should do it, I think. There we go. If we palm the special or the cast, I'm pretty okay with either one. I'm gonna assume we'll see another. Rapid Thrasher? There we go. I like attacking faster. It is nice. Hell yeah. Sure. Okay then. We want mental block here. Sure. I would have hoped that there's a fountain in here. Nope. I think this should be mid shot, probably. Yeah. Okay. I totally forgot we had Poseidon in the pool. That's hilarious. Beach ball's amazing, so that's gonna help. I've gotten so much Apollo. Yes. Oh. Middle. Middle. Bottom. Top. Middle. Middle. Top. Middle. Okay, that wasn't too bad. We're gonna just wear the moonbeam for this board here. Oops. Oh well. Oh. I love beach ball. It's so good. I've done like $120,000 damage with beach ball in a run in a bun. Beach ball in a run before. Jesus. Beach bun in a run before. You heard it here first. I haven't gotten any more hef boons since the first zone. We still want cut above, but we need to get one more go at this here. Ooh, I cut both of them. Nice. We still need so much. We're not gonna get everything we want, obviously, but it's fine. There it is. Pretty nice there. Okay, so got that. Yeah, there's all these, so that's pretty sweet. We probably want that eventually too, but alright, this is gonna be pretty sweet. Oh, what? Catch on fire, dude. Oh, that almost hit him. That would have been sick. I think that's all we have left. Sweet. Ooh. Well, as much juicy as the triple palm would be, this is gonna be sick. Oh, that was so easy. Holy crap. Big bang bong. Grand Caldera is fine. I'd rather the other one, but I think we have origination, right? We do. Yeah, we have origination. Cut above. That's not what I wanted. I wanted visceral impact. Son of a nugget. I clicked the wrong one. It don't really matter though. That sucks. This is gonna be pretty easy though. This is just normal Typhon. It shouldn't be too big of a deal. Too bad of a, you know what I mean? Too big of a bad. Get away from me with your hurricanes. Wow, what the? Do you call it egg breath? That's... What? Okay. Get the hurricanes away, the tornadoes away. Okay. Stop with the... Alright, that wasn't too bad. Got him. Yeah, that was pretty sick. That's exactly what you would think it would look like. Oh, that was a good run. Good run. The cast went crazy there. It was pretty sick. I wanted cut above and geyser spout with the pool I had. That's really all I was missing, which is fine. The geyser spout would have made a huge difference if I would have had that on there, but or winner's circle would have been nice too. But we didn't get it. We tried. We just took 5 rolls, 6 rolls, something like that, trying to get it. So anyway, if anyone has any comments or just anything in general, you can go ahead and like the video or anything, leave a comment, leave a like, give me a sub. But have a great day, everybody.